Alright, I just wanted to make a quick video to show the battle editor because it might be a little confusing of how to use. So when you load on the main screen, click battle editor and it'll bring you to this screen here. Inside the green box is basically where you can put pieces. I have a little bit of a scale here, so anywhere in the center is about 0 on the Z axis, I guess, and then this is 50 kilometers this way, and then 50 kilometers this way, and then also it's 50 kilometers to this side and 50 kilometers to that side. So it's kind of hard to see. The screen resolution, I guess, gets a little funky in the standalone, but there's two different factions you can choose from, and then the player is actually the inner systems. So you select a player. You at least need a player in the game, but there's a default area. But if you want to, if it's important to you where the player starts, just pick a place. Player, I'll make it look a little different eventually, but right now it's just a little bit bigger than the regular fighter. So if you want to give the player some teammates, you just add in a few more fighters as close as you can get. Since these distances are pretty great, if you can get them as close as possible, they won't be too far away from each other. But if you even a little space is actually a long way on this map. So I'm going to add in a couple big destroyers, why not? And then change the faction, and then you can put in some enemies. And those will be pretty far away, so it'll be kind of interesting to see how long it takes everyone to get. You can also throw in some asteroids if you want. Asteroids don't have to be placed right on top of everything. You can place them, that should cover the area. But once you have a player, some ships, you just select, make sure you change the factions. These other buttons don't really do anything, so just use the first asteroids. And then type in a name, it's important, big battle. And then it will tell you that you're not saved, so you have to make sure you save it. Save it. Once it says saved, you can go back to the main menu. Eventually that battle editor will include backgrounds and more objects and things like that, so we can make base battles and things. And then events as well, so scripting, dialogue, and checkpoints and things like that. Or if you destroy a certain ship, do you win? Right now that stuff's not really implemented. So now that you've done your battle editor, if you click instant action, it loads it right here. So these two are ones that I've created. I have these three that just come with the game for now, but you can create your own, and they'll come in here for you can create a couple anyway. So anyway, click it, press play. So you have to click it and then select. So now we should have a huge So we've got our ships here. Yep. Got the asteroids. And then I don't know. Oh, yeah, so the capital ships, I put them a little too far away, so you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4. They didn't look that far away in the map, right? But they are really far away. So cap ships move a little slower. But you can see the fighters are trying to engage, so since the capital ships are not fighting each other right away, most of those fighters will probably end up getting destroyed before they engage. Alright, so anyway, that's how you use the battle editor.